Of course, an affirmation that correlates with that chakra you're working on. What I would do is say my affirmation 3 times according to that chakra, and then take 3 sips of my tonic.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dream Wise here for another one. Chakra tonics. Chakra tonics are a great way to balance out your chakras. Chakra tonics help in the physical and etheric aspect of your chakras and glands. When I was doing my heavy chakra work, I had a chakra tonic with whatever correlating week it was for that particular chakra. I was also fasting at the time, so the chakra tonic was a powerful energy for me to tap into the particular chakra. Get the book, Chakra Tonics, Essential Elixirs for the Mind, Body, and Spirit by Elise Collins. This book helped me into understanding what to put in each chakra tonic. But at the end of the day, you want to go with what feels right, what is right for you in that particular chakra according to you. Try to stay with the same color, of course. Get things that make sense in accordance to the chakra and the color. This will help stimulate that part of your chakra that will end up balancing it out in the long run. I highly recommend chakra tonics because we are so physical in nature, and they will help you feel more assured and confident in knowing that you're affecting that chakra. Along with the chakra tonics, you want to say an affirmation upon taking the chakra tonics. Go to your magical space or somewhere quiet and say your affirmations before you drink the chakra tonic. Of course, an affirmation that correlates with that chakra you're working on. What I would do is say my affirmation 3 times according to that chakra, and then take 3 sips of my tonic. Then I would say my affirmation again and finish off the chakra tonic altogether. So it's a powerful and magical practice that I challenge everyone to tap into this easy and simple practice of getting your emotions in check and ridding yourself of these human emotions that's holding you back from your chaos being power. Drink responsibly, my friends. Dream wise.